Welcome to an exciting look at Microsoft Copilot, your new productivity powerhouse in MS 365. Copilot is designed to make your work life faster, smarter, and simpler. Whether you're drafting reports in Word, building presentations in PowerPoint, analyzing data in Excel, or collaborating on Teams, or even conducting research on Edge, Copilot is here to help you work more effectively every step of the way. You can use Copilot's summarization tools to make reading long articles a breeze, discover specific integrations in Microsoft Office that can keep you compliant and efficient. Let's look at what's ahead. A first look at some of Copilot's standout features that boost productivity, streamline tasks, and empower your organization to work at its very best. Today's video will give you a comprehensive look into the capabilities of Microsoft Copilot's specialized functions within the MS 365 suite. Copilot's tools are designed to help users at all levels, whether you're looking to automate repetitive tasks, uncover insights from data, streamline collaboration, or simply find quicker ways to work. By diving into each app and its unique Copilot functionality, you'll see just how tailored Copilot's capabilities are to each application. One of the fundamental aspects of Copilot is its integration with BizChat, enhancing business conversations and workflows. Microsoft Copilot elevates the Teams chat experience, now enhanced and renamed BizChat, by seamlessly integrating AI into streamlined business communications. Whether it's drafting quick replies, summarizing long discussion threads, or bringing context from related conversation, Copilot keeps your work flowing smoothly and efficiently. Imagine you're collaborating on a cross-department project and need to catch up quickly on key points from multiple chats. Copilot steps in, pulling summaries, suggesting responses, and offering relevant context from past exchanges, ensuring that every conversation stays productive. You no longer need to search through countless messages. Copilot brings the information directly to you precisely when you need it. What else can you do with your Copilot personal assistant? Let's look at a few options in the MS 365 environment. Word. Assisting with document drafting. Microsoft Copilot redefines the way we create and manage documents in Word. With Copilot by your side, drafting, editing, and refining content becomes faster, more efficient, and intuitive. Copilot can summarize lengthy sections, suggest stylistic improvements, or help craft a concise conclusion. This lets you focus on high-level insights while Copilot manages the details, resulting in polished documents with ease. Picture this: you're tasked with drafting an in-depth report on a complex topic. With Copilot, you can simplify this process by asking it to summarize those paragraphs, generate a concise conclusion, or even provide stylistic suggestions to improve clarity. This allows you to focus on the bigger picture without getting bogged down in the smaller details, resulting in a polished document with minimal effort. PowerPoint. Creating engaging presentations. In PowerPoint, Copilot acts as a creative partner, helping you develop visually impactful presentations quickly. Whether you need layout suggestions, slide creation from an outline, or enhanced design elements, Copilot transforms ideas into professional slides. For instance, give Copilot a Word document or an outline, and it builds a cohesive slide deck complete with design elements that elevate both content and visual appeal. Imagine needing to create a presentation quickly based on an existing report or document. With Copilot, you can simply provide an outline or even a Word document, and it will turn it into a cohesive, well-structured slide deck. It applies professional design elements, ensuring that each slide not only conveys your ideas, but also has visual impact. This feature is a game changer, especially for those looking to communicate information effectively without spending hours and hours on formatting. Excel, data analysis and insights. Copilot brings powerful analytical tools directly to Excel, turning data into insights effortlessly. Instead of manually sifting through rows of numbers, you can ask Copilot to summarize data patterns, helping you make informed, data-driven decisions with much more ease. Consider a scenario where you have to analyze a data set. Instead of manually going through each of the data insights, you can simply ask Copilot to highlight and generate it for you. This makes it easier to interpret data, spot patterns, and make data-driven decisions quickly and accurately. Teams meetings, smarter recaps. In Microsoft Teams, Copilot enhances collaboration by capturing key points, suggesting action items, and providing real-time summaries. During a meeting, Copilot can take notes, it can summarize discussions, and offer actionable follow-ups like task assignments or reminders. This ensures that meetings are productive and organized, allowing everyone to stay focused on the conversation without missing any details. Imagine you're in a virtual meeting where several tasks and deadlines are being discussed. Copilot can summarize the conversation in real time, allowing everyone to focus on the discussion rather than taking notes. It can also suggest follow-up actions such as assigning tasks, setting reminders, or scheduling the next meeting, saving time and reducing the risk of important details slipping through the cracks. Edge, smarter web browsing. Integrated into Edge, Copilot transforms web browsing into a streamlined research-focused experience. Whether summarizing web pages, extracting insights, or automating form-filling tasks, Copilot helps you gather information quickly and efficiently. For instance, when conducting research, Copilot can summarize lengthy articles, helping you focus on core insights and saving time on background information gathering. When researching a topic, it's often easy to get lost in information. With Copilot in Edge, you can ask it to summarize the main points from a lengthy article, helping you to distill complex information quickly. This functionality is partly useful when gathering resources for reports, presentations, or any project that requires a lot of background information. By highlighting key insights, Copilot enables you to focus on what's important and save time. Copilot Pages, collaborative workspaces. Once you've done your research in Copilot, you can also use this dynamic shared workspace where teams can collaborate with AI in real time. Copilot Pages is perfect for brainstorming, content creation, and collaborative prompting, keeping everyone aligned and engaged in a uniformed environment. It's a really great addition to Copilot. You can check all of those citations or sources to avoid any potential hallucinations. Each of these features is designed to adapt to your needs. With Copilot, your workflow becomes more efficient, effective, and intuitive, so you can achieve much more faster with greater ease. Copilot is an absolute game changer in making Microsoft 365 a powerhouse of productivity, bringing all the tools that adapt effortlessly to your needs. Experience a smarter, more streamlined way to work and get ready to accomplish more with ease. Take your work to the next level with Microsoft Copilot.